Morning down here on the walk this morning on Monday motivation. Let's get it. Let's get moving on Monday. No excuses. Come down here and meditate. That's what I like to do. We are on my little walk. Let's make it happen. Hope y'all had a great weekend out there. Hope y'all didn't eat too much junk food. Hope y'all staying active, staying busy, Man, yeah, we back. Your boy Kinetics is back. It was a long weekend, So we back at it again, back in nature, The heart of nature. It's the best place to be. No matter how you feeling, you want to get outside, Make sure you start your morning right, Even if you're just walking around the block. It don't matter, you got to get up and do something and stay physically active, and doing something for you. Self-care is the best care. Ain't no one going to do it for you but you. Man, it's warmer. The sun is coming down on me. I'm getting my vitamins and minerals today. I don't need the gloves, the mittens. Hear the birds chirping. Beautiful out here, It's what you got to do every day, get outside. It don't matter where you go, just get out and do something, This right here will keep you going, Don't let the winter time get to you. Don't let the cold get to you. Just because it's cold don't mean you got to stop doing what you're doing. You got to adapt to the season, Sun is beaming. Yeah, I like to come down here in the morning, meditate, get right. You can breathe better when you out here, all that, Man, hope y'all eating the right foods and drinking lots of water, This is medicine right here. You come out in nature, this is medicine, You hear the water flowing. Man. Where is that? This is what I like to do. This is where I like to come. Little cliff. Yeah, this is my little spot down here. I come grab a rock or whatever, sit on a rock. Just where it's at though, getting out, breathing that good old air, getting out in nature. With the snow, the ice forming. Get around some water, Set your goals, Start your morning doing some walks, Or if you just gotta walk up and down your stairs, whatever the case is, There's no excuses. Yeah, I like to come down here, hang out for a little bit, you know. Ooh, I could grab a rock right here, you know. No excuses. It's a beautiful day. Great day to get out, you know. Not too cold. Like I say, the sun's shining. Beautiful day in the park. Gotta keep that mindset razor focus, you know, razor sharp, keep the focus sharp, you know. Do more than you've been doing. It's time to get active now, you know. Like I say, it's about to be cold as heck. Ain't no excuses on getting lazy now, you know. I'm watching the water flow. Got the ice in there and stuff, you know. Get motivated, you know, stay active, get out in nature, you know. Why not? It's gonna make you feel better. You know, you could be sick. If you get outside in nature, you're gonna be cured a lot quicker, you know. Excuse me. But yeah, this is where it's at. Come down here, just take it easy. Look at the water, you know. Relax. Get your mind right. You know, come and do this before I start working out or whatever. But it's good here, you know. Get the energy from the sun. The vibration from the water, you know, from everything out here, you know. The birds. All life out here, you know. Everything flowing, you know. See how that water going? That's just like our life, you know. We just gotta keep moving, you know. Gotta keep doing something, you know. But man, we out here collecting it, you know. If you start off just walking around the block, even if it's cold out, it don't matter if it's below zero. It's for your good, you know. It's gonna benefit you. Whatever you do that's good for you, it's gonna benefit you in the long run. We all know that, you know. Just like if we eat food that we know is not good for us, we know we have to pay for it in the long run, you know. But man, you gotta love yourself out here. You gotta take care of yourself every day. You know? What it's about, you know? Yeah. This wouldn't everyone gotta get out of nature. You know, some people don't get out the house. You know, if you ain't getting out the house, at least open the window up. You know, get some fresh air in there. Man, like I say, it's a beautiful day. Monday motivation, get motivated, you know. Get your program going. You know, do a little meditating, whatever you need to do. It's gonna be a great week. Let's start this week off right. Let's get it, money. Let's stay active. You know. Look at these rocks. I'm sure water be filling up here in the summertime. Oh man. Yeah, I figure I'd just take y'all on a little walk, you know. That's what I do. You know, if you don't do nothing, go out on your walk, you know. You will feel a lot better being out in nature, I promise. Mother Nature's like, she is medicine. That's so refreshing, that sound, you know. You can just sit down here all day, you know. I should come down here, put the camera out, make a video of the waterfall. You know, the mini waterfall. But yeah, get up, do something. There's no excuses. It's the time to get out, you know. Even if it was snowing, it's time to get out. Don't let the weather hold you back from doing what you want to do. Some cattails. It's a great little place to come for a walk, you know. Look at the trees. It's a real cool looking tree. They all unique, you know. Look at all this trash down here. Even Jordan was like, it's too much litter down here. Now here, like you enter in like a gate, you know. This would be a great haunted house, you know, like in the, not a haunted house, but you know, it could be scary, you know. Yeah, this is the type of stuff we used to do when we were kids. You know, we'd be out here nature hiking. Even when you older, you still a kid. You know, we're all kids. You're as old as you want to be. If you want to be old and not active, that's fine. But the younger you feel and the younger you get your mindset, you know, put in your head that you can do this, you can do whatever you want to do. You know? That's what it's about. Not letting no one tell you what you can't do. You gotta get up, you gotta do it for you. Like a lot of people coming back at me, like, you know, yeah, now I'm ready to get in shape, you know. But yeah, you gotta be always ready to be right, you know. Don't wait for the doctor to tell you what you know that you should be doing. You know? Because they ain't gonna give you nothing but some medicine, some pills. You know? But you get out in nature, she's gonna give you what you really need. You know? This is where everything's at, outside, you know? Get out, get motivated, do something. You know? Like I stay active, you know? Throughout the day, do different stuff, you know? Yeah, we're saw a deer down here the other day. Yeah, man, get out and do something. Stay active, you know. There's not much snow on the ground. It's nice out. Take advantage of it, you know. Because it ain't going to be nice forever. You know, it's about to get cold as heck. Down here, yeah, that look kind of, that's real cool. Got the big old ice blocks down there. All up underneath the bridge. But yeah, let's just stay motivated. Like I said, you know, this isn't the time to get lazy. Man, I'm loving it out here. So it feels so good today. It's only like 30 something, but that ain't gonna stop nothing. You know, we still out here taking advantage of the good weather, you know. That's what you gotta do, you know. That's what gotta be done. Let's get a little bit this right here. And I'm about to go finish my walk, get ready to get some stuff done. Boom. Got a whole bunch of ice chunks floating down. So get up and do something, you know. I love y'all. Let's make it happen, you know. It's the time to get it right now. This is the time to make it all happen, you know. But yeah. Ooh, that air feels so good. So get up, do something, get out. You know, enjoy your day. Do your self-care. You know, like I say, because self-care is the best care. You know? And I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed the little nature walk. You know, that's what we do. Get up and get you a nature walk in, you know? There's no excuses. Go outside, go to the park, you know? Go enjoy. Man, peace and blessings. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe and share this video. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Fit over 40. Age ain't nothing but a number. Get out and get motivated Mondays, you know. Got to be motivated every day, but you know, it's how you started off, you know. But I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, you know. Got to see a little something, I mean, you know. Cool little nature walk, you know. But I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. I love y'all. Peace and blessings. Man, let's keep it going, man. Let's keep thriving for greatness. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.